I am going to show you how to upload videos to WhatsApp statuses without losing quality, and the best part is that we won't need any external applications. We will perform the steps using WhatsApp's own features. For this method, we open WhatsApp and look for a friend's contact, and the WhatsApp video that we are going to upload as a status, we will send it to our friend. But if we don't want to send the video that we are going to upload as a status to anyone, what we can do is the following. We go here to the contacts option, we enter the contacts, and as you can see, the first contact that appears is our own number. So we can send things and messages to ourselves and not send them to anyone else. So let's send the video to ourselves. This new WhatsApp feature is great for sending things to oneself, but before sending the video, we look at this option that says HD. We enter here and two options appear: standard quality, which is the compressed video, and we select HD quality so that the video is in better quality. In this part, we select it, and this way see that the HD function is checked with a check mark. That indicates that the function is already active. If we deactivate it, see that it deactivates, and here we activate it again, it has the check mark. And once it's like this, we send it to ourselves. This would be the first step to send the WhatsApp video without losing quality. Once the video finishes uploading, see that the option to share will appear. In this part here, we can share the video. As you can see, we are going to click to see what will appear. If we click, we can share the video with friends, but we can also share the video as a status. So we tap on my status, share, and this way the video will be uploaded to the WhatsApp status in HD quality, which is quite good, quite acceptable. It will no longer be in low quality, which would be MP4 quality. It will be in HD. It finished loading. Let's check how the video turned out. Look at it there in HD, folks. So I hope you like this information. Remember to subscribe to this channel to stay updated with the best content, and remember to check the description of this video where I leave more recommended videos: how to use the new WhatsApp feature called Meta AI, how to send mass messages to multiple contacts, and other tips and recommendations that I know you will like. See you next time.